What's going on, guys? It's Scam Guru 786 and welcome to a brand new video. Alright, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I really wanted to address this topic for a while now, but basically the entire argument is that are gurus faking sales? Okay, I've seen this thing so many times. I've seen people calling out Alex Becker for shit. I've seen people calling out different Shopify gurus. And even the people who I know personally have been getting a little bit of a backlash on this, so I really want to just talk about the entire topic real quick. So basically just want to clear off the confusion, because with so many different videos getting pumped out from different people and different opinions, it's kind of easy to get confused into all the nonsense, okay? And as you guys know, from day one, hashtag no BS, and that's how we keep it. Anyway, so basically, as all of you know, that Shopify has been blowing up lately, and a lot of people have been starting to build their entire channels on Shopify, like me, a few more people I know, and it's just been a huge explosion. Okay, people are making tons of money. There are many people starting personal brands out of it. There are many people making money out of it. I get screenshots every other day of you guys making money from their stores. I actually sold a store before for $10,000. There's a lot of stuff going on Shopify, right? One thing's getting a lot of traction. Whenever someone's attention goes onto something, there are gonna be a few people who just go, oh man, okay, like a lot of people are going to this place, so I might as well just fake them or just some shit like that, okay? And I'm not calling anyone out on this, but I'm just saying that's the way how things go, okay? If there's attention going somewhere, you're always gonna find someone or the other who's gonna be scamming in that niche or particular thing just to make their own profit, okay? But here's the problem though, some people, instead of doing that, what they do is that they call out many people instead of that to gain traction, and that's what kind of annoys me. Not gonna lie, some of them do have some good points, but so recently I've just been fucking flooded by videos like Shopify Gurus exposed, this guy gets exposed. So basically there's always a habit of looking up to people and then follow what they're doing on their journey and their steps to actually achieve success. That's exactly what we are actually made for. Not made for, but that's what we follow, okay? We all follow the bigger person and we keep moving them behind them, mostly blindly, and that's what gets taken advantage of. And as soon as I start seeing Alex Becker being called out, which is, I really respect him a lot, okay? He just makes absolutely great videos, but people still call him out for stuff because he's just doing something out of the box, but people still call him out. And then I start seeing these YouTube videos of big YouTubers calling each other out, or maybe, you know, just talking about each other and shit. And then I see the smaller YouTubers now start to follow the same route, so now I'm getting flooded with recommendations of people just calling other people out, calling gurus out, gurus exposed, fake gurus exposed. And it's starting to become a religion, like, not even gonna lie, because people are just constantly following the person without understanding if they're right or wrong. You guys have seen my documentary on this channel, okay? The first day when I had no sales, I literally had 1,000 visitors in my store, and I started to go up from there with $50 days, $100 days, $600, it kept going up from there, okay? Also, what has happened is that because so many people are making money from Shopify, there are a few people who might or may not be faking Shopify sales, okay? And that's really caused a lot of people just call those bigger people out and gain traction. That's the only thing which bothers me right now. Like if you've got 100% proof and you can call them out on it, okay, then that you deserve the title that, okay, exposing the gurus. But speculations, or, you know, was this guru scamming, are they not scamming anymore, all these things don't really give a complete evidence of are they scamming or not. And all that does is that just creates confusion, okay? One of the videos which really did strike my attention though was Brotherhood's video, okay? So I came across this guy's video, his name is Brotherhood apparently, and I'm not gonna lie, he has some pretty solid points apart from with the proof he's got and the kind of research he's done on it. He's actually done a lot of research to do this. And I actually agree with most of them apart from one. So he's got UC, Thaddeus, he's got Jet Set Fly, and he's got Zaki, and he's also got Hayden Bowles in his thumbnails, right? But the only problem is that you're just calling out a couple more people who just do not fit in the equation, okay? Just for views, okay? Like UC and Hayden Bowles, okay? Like, including the people you're calling out in the thumbnails is alright, okay? Like, you want to talk about them, alright, got it, dude. And I'm not saying because I'm friends with them, I just know, and I've seen UC's old forums where he started out, he documented the entire thing, and actually saw him go from $0 to $600, $800 every single day when he started dormant, and he does not fake it, okay? So when you put his picture in the thumbnail, you're basically saying that he is faking the results, and same with Hayden Bowles. Like, literally, I don't mind the videos you're making, I don't mind what you're saying in the videos, most of it, well, but you're calling out the people you're not even talking about, which is really kind of a bad thing, so I would suggest you don't do that. Understand that none of that is concrete evidence that they're faking it or they have faked it, okay? Conclusion, out of all the videos of people calling each other out, it's probably the most relevant and practical channel I watch. That's the cookie for that, but I'm just saying, dude, that you won't really be able to find the evidence if they have been doing it from day one. And especially Thaddeus, I don't think Thaddeus has been personally doing this. Like, I know one of your main videos was about Thaddeus, and I really don't think that you should be attacking him personally, okay? Like there's no need to mention stuff like,
you need to stop doing cocaine, and you need to use your parents' money to stop and for something good, and not try to scam people.
I mean, it's your opinion, but still, there's not really much need to do that. So your argument is good, but you don't need to personally attack someone just to raise your argument. So there's no clear way of telling if someone has been just faking it or not, but a couple of favorable things are you can just look at the screenshot, and what I usually do is I look at the right side of the screen where the visitors are shown, because believe it or not, it's very, very, very hard to fake visitors, and it does not really happen in a single day or consistently, okay? It's not something you can do very easily. So if someone has like $1,000 in sales or no visitors, then you probably know that they've been faking it, okay? On PC, there's literally no way you can find out if it's true or not. It's very easy to fake numbers. You just literally have to press a key, F12, and then you just change everything up if you want to. And I would say the #1 proof if people have been scamming or not is by, like, if someone was scamming on Shopify, they would not know all these advanced tactics, okay? #1 thing that separates people who are scamming and not is the knowledge, okay? Even if someone, after watching that video, goes ahead and just fakes their proof or somehow fakes visitors or some shit like that, even after that, they will not be able to convince people for anything because they don't have the knowledge, they don't know how to do it. They won't be able to answer questions on the DMs, they won't be able to teach other people in their courses. Even if they do, their students will not see results. That's the problem, right? A lot of people who were caught in the backlash, like Sebastian Georgiou, UC, all these people I've known, they've done really good. They have students which have done really good. Like when I was originally starting out, Sebastian Georgiou did really help me a lot starting out. Like in the beginning when I had absolutely nothing, he did give me some really good advice to get started with drop shipping. So I've literally been there before all of this bullshit or whatever that happened. So you cannot have that knowledge if you're faking the number. The knowledge only comes when you have success. So I think that is the #1 proof that a lot of these people have not been faking it. But in the end, we're always gonna believe what we want to believe, guys. But yeah, that's gonna be it. There's always gonna be scam accusations towards many different people. The problem is that people are the ones who suffer into this, okay? You guys watch these videos or other videos, or everybody just goes, what the fuck is going on? What is real, what is not? Some guru is telling you this, other gurus are telling you that, whatever. And the last thing is about the courses, that just gurus sell courses just to make money. Yes, gurus do make a lot of money from courses. I've seen gurus who bought cars just on their course money, and that's fine, a lot of people do that. But even that is not really a strong argument, okay? I've seen many different gurus who have just been selling their courses for real cheap, $50, $70, $80. So yeah, there are many different variants that go into it. In the end, it all comes down to knowledge. If a guru does not have the knowledge about what they're doing, even after they fake results, they would not be able to convince people about it, okay? But yeah, I really hope this stigma just gets cleared off. People start becoming real and just know all these videos just stop popping up my fucking recommended list while I'm trying to browse some really dank memes. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe and click the notification bell. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna see you guys later, and Scam Guru out.
Building walls to burn them down, cannonballs to watch me drown. You've got me lost in here and now, you've got me gone and lost and found. We only hang in evenings and I don't know what I'm thinking, but I know that I won't think it if I keep up with this thinking. All these dreams and all these plans we shared.